guys turned up as planned, which was great, and very quick. Roof was off, new roof on. It was fabulous. Yeah. Luckily, it didn't rain, so that was good. Yeah. I offloaded it. It was in sections, big box sections. The framework obviously was taken off, put new framework on, and the roof framework, just literally boxes, put it up, insulated inside, and plastered, done. It was amazing, really quick. Yeah, and the conservatory before was glass. You had to have blinds, and where you had fittings, the blinds would sag, and the glass would get water, condensation, and everything. Now, this ceiling is just beautiful. I love it. And the lighting, yeah, it's just nice and, yeah, it's wonderful. I've got neighbours, you can see it at the back here. I'm expecting them to knock on the door any minute, because our friend over there is always complaining. Conservatory in the summer, can't go in, it's too damn hot, too bright. In the winter, too damn cold. Whereas it's just fab. Wish I'd done it ages ago.